Hey guys, welcome to another live. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about a few things going on in the market. Today, my topic of conversation is going to be more for high net worth and people like that than than retail investors. And I'm gonna start talking more towards my typical audience, which is the business owners and the high net worth individuals, because that's really who I can provide value for. That's really who I work with. Generally, I usually don't work with people who are not high net worth. The reason why, like I said before, that I made a few videos for crypto and stuff like that, um, is because I wanted people who are tuning into my channel for the first time to really, you know, to really learn about, finance, right? Once you learn the fundamentals of finance, once you learn, what kind of vehicles or what kind of places to put your money in and how basic economics works, then you want to move into another area of finance. Uh, you know what I'm saying? Which is going to help you. You know what I'm saying? Understand how to grow your money and implement faster. I'm looking down again. That's just my thinking process. Um, and again, guys, one of the biggest thing I tell high net worth folks all the time, and high net worth, so for those of you guys that don't know, it's people who are millionaires, billionaires, people who have a lot of money like myself, who invest their money in mutual funds, stocks, dividends, yield bonds. Right now moving into an area where more money is going to be invested into um, ETFs, right? ETFs are going to be are going to be the next thing for crypto. But I'm not going to talk about that. Just for those of you guys that follow me for the crypto talks, just remind me, please. Somebody remind me, DM me to talk about crypto ETFs, right? But today's conversation is going to be strictly about um, investing in stock loans, and I'm just gonna it's gonna be very brief. But the topic of conversation is going to be about stock loans, and it's going to be about investing. And the topic of conversation is also going to be about, um, taking liquidity from your asset and creating other assets, right? So one of the biggest challenges for high net worth people that I've realized over the last, I would say, 10, if not 12 years, is that for them, they're very invested in, most of their money is in assets, but at the same time you do need a liquidity to, sorry, just um, my hair just coming out, and you need liquidity for a few reasons. You need liquidity because liquidity allows you to take advantage of opportunities that are coming in the market. For example, you guys saw the Afghanistan incident, and so the markets would change based upon world events. World events, they're happening, so the markets would change based on those kind of things. And if you're an investor and you're investing into different countries, maybe American dollar drops, and if you would have put money into that, you know what I'm saying. Now you could 2x, 3x, 5x your money real quick, or just flip it for a 30% increase, right? So not just cryptocurrencies, forex, trading, stuff like that. Um, you know, and I tell people I don't really trade in forex, right? Like pairs, and you know what I mean, like USDT versus the yen, UN versus, I don't really do that kind of stuff. Back in the day, it was very profitable. Back in the day, because there wasn't that many people doing it. But now there's a lot of retail investors doing it, and you have to really be on that all the time to really, make some money with that, like serious money. Or for just a couple hours, just really, putting money in that. But for the higher net worth, the higher tier people in the world, who are using the capital markets, right? And they're, either if you're investing regionally or nationally in the United States market, or if you're investing internationally, right? You want to understand a few things. Is that stocks, they're a great asset. Depending on what company You know, you do the fundamental analysis and check whatever type of company that would be. You know, like Warren Buffett, you use a Warren Buffett strategy, which is, you know, a value-based investment approach, or you could use a different kind of approach. You know what I mean? And you could gain returns with either. You know, but the point of the conversation that I'm trying to get to here is that, you know, whether you're investing heavily in stocks, real estate, any kind of form or of investment vehicle, right? That's where they are. You always want to have a liquidity pool, or have liquid 20%, because that just gives you the opportunity to move when the market is standing still or when the market is going down, even if the market is going up. You know, you never want to get stuck in one place. And if your assets are not growing and they're not producing money, dividends, or something like that, right? You know, the opportunity